Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make your own seed starting mix. Seed starting mix, you can get a seed starting mix bag in the store like these, and this is how it looks. This bag in the store is about $4.50 to $5 depending on where you get it. Or you can make your own seed starting mix with a bag of perlite like this. Perlite is rock, volcanic rock that has been heated, and it helps with drainage and aeration of the seed starting mix or the potted mix. And this is how the perlite looks like. And you're also gonna need peat moss. Peat moss. This is a bag of peat moss you can get at your local garden center. You can get at your local garden center, and the peat moss looks like this. And you're also gonna need a compost, or what I use is vermicompost or worm castings, and this is what I have for vermicompost or worm castings that I'm gonna use for it. So we're gonna put everything together, and doing this will save you a lot of money in having your seed starting mix. I bought this bag of peat moss last year. I used it for seed starting and potting mix, and I still have like half a bag left, which means that at least you're gonna save a lot of money if you get something like this, and you can use it for a year or 2 years depending on the amount of peat moss, the amount of seed starting and potting mix you want to make for that year. So we're gonna start mixing together. So I'm gonna use equal parts peat moss and the vermicompost. If you're gonna do, so I use I'll use 5 containers of these, of the peat moss, or you can say 5 cups, or whatever you're using to measure. So use 5 of these. Then we want to use 5 pack. I'm gonna use 5 pack of the vermicompost. So I use equal part vermicompost and equal part perlite. Then I use 1 part perlite. Then all you have to do now is mix them up. And you want to break down any of the big pieces of peat moss that are there. And this is it. Unless you have a good quality seed starting mix. Before you use this in a container, you want to mix it with water. I use warm water because the peat moss and the perlite a little bit difficult to absorb water at the beginning, so you want to mix it with water before you put it in your container. So I'm just gonna mix it with a cup of water. You don't want to soak it too much, but you just want to make sure that it has a nice wet texture. So that is it. It's absorbed a lot of water. So if you compare the two of them, this one that I just made and the one you get at the store, this one that I just made is much better than the one at the store, and it's much better quality because of the vermicompost I have inside. So you can make your own seed starter mix, and it's gonna get better quality if you use warm castings of vermicompost. Vermicompost, you can get them from garden centers and other stores. So that's it. Hope you like the video. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll be able to help you with that. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.